accept what I can't change. There's your bones and mine, and there's sorrow and there's pain. I can't change who I am, change my ways, and I'm drained. Tears choose a path, and the drops spell out your name. I declare to you now, I am done, so let it